Alright guys, it's spring and we need to tackle one of the largest areas of our home, the garage. So in evaluating our situation, first of all, we want to make sure that we have allowed ourselves enough time to complete the project. So be thinking about that. How long is it going to take me? Reserve a whole day. In my case, I'm reserving a whole evening to get this project done. And what I'm also doing right now is I'm looking at different areas of my garage, seeing where I could potentially regroup things to make things a little bit better as I move forward with cleaning and decluttering the entire space. Alright, so I'm going to start with my attic area, and you have tons of decluttering tips at your disposal to begin using when you're doing your garage. You could trash items, you could recycle items, you could keep items, you could donate them, or you could sell them. One of the reasons why our garage just has so much stuff in the attic is because I actually extended our attic area by purchasing additional plywood boards and putting them up in the attic. So if you choose to do that, you do it at your own discretion, but that's just a bonus tip that could potentially give you a little bit more space in that area. So one of my reasonings for taking care of the attic first is because I really want to store seasonal items there and things that we don't use on a regular basis. So if you have that capability, do that. And if you are short on storage, you see I have different storage bins that are there, and the big thing I want you to pay attention to is my ceiling mount that I have there, my garage ceiling storage mount. Those can range anywhere from $150 on up on Amazon or various other vendors, but that is an awesome addition that you could use if you don't have an attic space to help give you a little bit more storage space and area in your garage. So as you can see, I'm taking my garage in sections, but this is definitely a good time to clean and vacuum around the areas. You could wipe off surfaces, use your shop vac, use your vacuum, just to get some of those areas nice and clean and ready to go as you move things around and repurpose different areas of your garage. Get help. I solicited the help of my kiddos, which I often do in cleaning. We just make it a family project. But if you don't have kids, don't have someone that can help you, see if you can find a neighborhood kid and bribe them with maybe a pizza or some candy. Having a couple other hands in there definitely during certain parts will just make life easier as you're trying to get everything accomplished for the day, or in my case, the evening. All right, y'all, here's my final walkthrough. So I have kind of an area for some of my tools, a kids area. I kind of have extra stuff on top for the storage racks, all of my cleaning supplies for my business. As I move up into the attic, have things nice and organized, more seasonal things I can grab as needed. And there it is. I hope these tips have motivated you to get your next garage job tackled. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Until next time, peace and blessings. Real men get it done.